Hi, it's Rick with the Gardening Simplified show. And in episode 207, we talked about being well-rounded, not grounded, but well-rounded in your landscape. And one of the topics that came up during that show was cloud pruning. Cloud pruning is a Japanese pruning art that has been practiced through the centuries and works quite well on evergreens to create, for lack of a better term, let's call them pom-poms. And I just happen to have this mature Dwarf Alberta Spruce in my landscape, and I thought I'd practice on this. And like Stacy said to me, no great loss. If it doesn't work out, you can replace it with something else. And she's right. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look for some good branches on the interior here and just start little by little looking for something that I think I could develop as a pom-pom in this cloud of what currently is a pyramidal dwarf Alberta spruce. You can see I'm trying to isolate on this palm right here. To start, you got to start somewhere. I've always kept these handy little pruning saws as part of my pruning arsenal because they're lightweight but very effective, especially in getting smaller branches cut right back to the trunk with a nice clean cut. And they just fold right out of this handle here and work great. And then we'll fold back up so it's a tool that you can use that you can safely carry in your pocket when you're not using it. Well, I may have no idea what I'm doing, but it sure is fun. Yikes! This is scary, but fun. Scary, but fun. I don't know what you're thinking of the progress, but I'm kind of liking it. I dig it. That's a wrap. Cut.